What's going on, guys? Today's Friday, and today we're going to be look at a car. No, it's not a Civic. It is a Honda. From the looks of it, looks really freaking clean. It's gonna be my daily, but my Sentra is down right now, so he's actually a subscriber also. He's giving it to me for a good price, so we're gonna go head down, go look at it, and see if we bring a new car to the family, guys. So let's go. Alright, she is. Thing looks clean. Picking up this beautiful CRV. Shit is so mint. It has little flaws here and then, these two mirrors, but the body is good. Gets a rubber compound, take off some, it has like little marks here and there, like here, but it looks like it's just dirt. So yeah, that's just dirt that comes off. So literally just gonna go little by little and just start fixing it up. Thing is fucking beautiful, so clean. Look at this, super clean. No rust. Has one little rust spot right there, but that's literally nothing. So the white looks good. It's just a little, you know, it's old, but like this right here looks like it's dirty. Yeah, see, all of this is just dirt that hasn't taken off. So I'm gonna clean all of this up. You guys know me. Shit is so clean. Hey, what? Well, guys, officially a new owner of a CRV. The car's pretty mint. The car's just dirty, so white cars, you know, when they get dirty and you don't wash them, they have like, they stay with like little dirt stains, like little black marks. So I'm gonna wash the car as soon as I get to the house right now. I'm gonna use some rubber compound to take a lot of these marks off. By no means the car is perfect. It's almost perfect. White is rare. It has 137 miles on it, 137K, which is fucking amazing. Drives good, tires are good. It just needs two mirrors because I'm guessing they're loose, so the guy put like tape on the bottom of it. Not the guy that bought it off of, the guy that he bought it off of, which was an old guy. Interior is fucking super mint. The car just needs wheel alignment, two mirrors. It needs an AC belt. Hopefully the AC works. Everything looks fine. We didn't see no leaks. We didn't see anything. Everything looks good. But yeah, so I'm officially a CRV owner. No, I'm not gonna be doing like any crazy mods to this. This is basically gonna be my daily and work car. So I'm just gonna do like I'm just gonna change the headlights, do the valve cover, gasket, small stuff here and there. But overall, the car is fine. You know, it doesn't have any leaks, doesn't smoke. The car is like fucking probably like 8 out of 10 around there. So it's pretty good for the price that I got it for also. Shout out to the kid that I got it for. I didn't even get his name, but he's actually a subscriber, so shout out to you, bro. One thing I got really scared of is the CRV needles they go to like maybe like 3/4 of the temperature, and I didn't know that. I had to call my friend Chris, my boy Julio, and they told me that it does that. It goes up and then it goes down, and while you're driving it stays normal. So I was really scared because I thought the car was like overheating, and I didn't want to buy a car that overheats because obviously I'm going to be using this in the heat when it's really hot like right now. But so far, car is amazing. When I get to the house, I'm going to show you guys a little bit more. I'm super fucking excited. I still got to do the insurance and everything on it, but I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, I know a couple days have passed by. It's been really rough because I've been working, and on last weekend we went to some water parks, so I couldn't really do nothing. But first fill up right now with the car, CRV. Yeah, so this is my CRV. I give you guys a little more detail when I have time, but I mean, it's stock CRV. I think it's nice. I cleaned up the lights, so I'll need to get a new headlight now. It's pretty clean. You guys can see it has like these are like dirt spots. All of these dirt spots I'm gonna take out. I took it off. I took all of them off on the roof. I mean, I took everything off from the hood, and then the other side, I haven't got to do this side. It just has that little spot of rust right there, and I guess like this, it's not rust, but like this weird tape, and just this dent right here. But I got it because the car came from an old guy, so it was well taken care of. Maintenance was on point, and yeah, white in general was just hard to pick. So I just got to do like small little minor things, but I've been cleaning up little by little. As you guys can see, the front is real nice. I also got it because the white like matches all together. So yeah, just gotta do a couple things, and yeah, we should be good. So when I get a chance, I'll explain to you more why I got it and everything else. So. Alright guys, I'm currently working, but today's is really slow. So it's a rainy, gloomy day, so it's been raining and stuff, but once again, yes, this is my new car, my new daily. I'm not gonna do much to it. Just gonna, I cleaned the headlights, so I don't need to do the headlight. They were a little dull. I cleaned it, buffed it out. Used rubber compound on the whole car, because like I told you guys before, it had a whole bunch of like black marks. Took all of that off. There's still some spots here and there, but I just love the car because it's so clean. I'm gonna take these black stuff off. It's gonna take me a while to take off these right here. I guess it's for like, you know, when you open the door and bang it up. But it has like scratches and stuff like that, but the white all matches. That's what I loved about it, because usually people have the white ones and they don't match. It's like yellow, then another color white. But yeah, this was owned by a old guy, so I know that the main is definitely on point. He used to take it to Honda to get service. It actually has a sticker right here. If you guys don't believe me, he sold it right before he needed to go for his next appointment. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then he sold it to a kid that's a subscriber. I think his name is William. Yeah. And then I saw it on Facebook. My friend saw it on Facebook. So then, yeah, I hit him up. We spoke. Went out to see the car. The car is good. The car has 137,000 miles. This thing sounds like a fucking baby. You guys can see it has little flaws in here, but this thing is just straight. It's beautiful. So in the long run, I already know me. Long run, I'm gonna end up painting the bumpers. For right now, just get the back to black kit, the back to black cream to make the bumpers and everything go back to, like, you know, its normal look. But yeah, it just needs mirrors. I guess he broke the mirror, hit it, so he put it on with tape. So I'm gonna order 2 mirrors. I'm gonna probably try to see if I can take off this like pinstripe. I don't know how hard it will be, but yeah, the car's pretty clean. As you guys can see, it just has that little spot of rust, that over there. Has a dent there. Have you guys? It's from '99, so it's bound to it. Bound to have something. It has like a whole bunch of like little. It's like almost like rust, but on white cars it usually gets it because it's just stuck onto the paint. I've been taking it out little by little. I've already had it for a week. This is literally my first day actually driving in it for like a long time. Got it registered today. Did the insurance like last week. But yeah, guys. So this is my new daily. Can't wait to see you know, what I do to it. Probably gonna put, maybe in the long run, I'll just end up doing some like wheels, but some just stock wheels. I'm not gonna lower it because I am gonna use this car for work. That's why I got it. I got it for work. My job actually helped me with this car because my Sentra is gone. So they actually gave me money towards this car also. So shout out to my job for always hooking it up, always being awesome. The Sentra is gone. The Sentra basically doesn't run anymore. Well, it does run, but there's a whole bunch of things that's wrong with it. The AC is like all messed up, and the wheels started getting locked up. I think it was like something with the ABS. I tried to fix it. My dad tried to fix it. We replaced everything on the AC. I replaced the blower, the resistor. My dad changed a resistor to another one. Changed the climate control, everything. The AC condenser turned on. Everything was cold, but no air was coming out. So there was something somewhere in the wiring, and that was messed up. And I'm not a fan of Nissans. I got that car because my fiance wanted it a long time ago, just to be able to get to work and back and to school and stuff. And then she didn't want it anymore, so then she wanted a Jeep. So then I got her the Jeep. So I kept it for work, and it lasted me a pretty long time. I can't really complain because I've had it for a really long time, and it did me good. So yeah, as you got, I'm actually working right now, but yeah, the interior super clean, as you guys can see. Carpet is clean. Like, car is in super good condition. Like, it's in excellent condition, you know. Clock works, everything works, door locks work, everything works. You guys can see the door jambs are good. There's no rust. Seats are good. Carpet is good. I gotta still do my own cleaning because, as you guys can see, like, it's a little dirty here. But the kid that bought it, which is William, I believe, he bought it, and the only thing I think he only drove it probably like twice, and then didn't drive it because he bought a RXX Type S. So he just bought that one and started just driving it, and he didn't drive this one, so he took the insurance off for this one and put it on the RXX. But yeah, the car is pretty clean. I know you guys probably thought I was getting like an EK 4-door or a hatch or something. Truth is, nah, I wasn't gonna do that because I can't get myself into another project car, and I'll go crazy. I'll go broke trying to change everything. So, but as of right now, she's gonna stay stock. I got some LED lights coming in. I got one over there already. I got the blink and brake lights already working in the back. And then I ordered some LEDs for the front. I gotta get some turning signals, some LED turning signals, and yeah, little stuff here and there. But I just love it because like everything still works. Like this still works. All these dampers still work, and usually they don't work on the car. Usually they're, they don't work. Usually they're bad. So, like I said, this car was from an old guy, so he took good care of it. Let me show you guys the engine bay. Engine bay is literally still like fresh also. So this is the engine bay. Look at this. It's still like clean white. It's not nothing. It's not like super dirty. It's dirty, but it's not like filthy. Like I can literally just, all that comes right off. I'm just gonna clean it. Obviously now you know me, but I'm gonna clean all of this off, cover the motor. Motor has 0 leaks. Definitely gotta change this valve cover. I don't know what the hell they were doing with this valve cover. They put like silicone around the valve cover. I guess it was probably leaking or something. So I'm gonna replace the valve cover, replace the seals, like the valve cover gaskets and all that. Distributor is brand new. As you guys can see, he bought it on that day. So plugs are new. Like I said, this car has been really taken care of. So I'm not have no complaints about it. Battery is new, has fluid, everything is good. So yeah, this is gonna be basically my little new daily. I'm gonna do stuff to it. Probably rear wheels. Probably do 50/50s later on. And I'm not too sure, man. But can never say it's gonna stay stock. It's gonna stay stock for the most part. But like dropping it and stuff like that, I'm not gonna do that because it's not worth it. I gotta use this car for work to put a lot of boxes in it. And I just want something with more space. And this is like a small little Jeep. I've been using my Jeep for a long time, and I don't want to put miles on. That's a brand new car, so this baby right here will last me forever. So now I got a CRV, Julio got a CRV, my boy Chris got a CRV, my boy Tube got a CRV. So yeah, it's cool. I'm part of the CRV gang. I know a lot of you guys have CRVs also, but these cars are great. They last a long time. Julio has like over 200,000 miles and it's still running strong AC. This one doesn't have AC. It doesn't have the belt. The compressor is new. I can tell the compressor is new. So I bought the belt. I'm gonna bring the car over to my dad tomorrow and try to get some work on it before I go to work. And then if anything, I'll just leave it with him, and then he'll do the rest of it while I'm at work. But just gotta bring him the belt. I'm gonna change the horn out also because this horn is terrible. Listen to this horn. Yeah, this horn is shot. So my dad has a horn over there that we're gonna replace it with. Yeah, guys, sorry, it's not really like a crazy interesting video, but this is what I wanted to get. This is what I ended up getting. Yeah, if you guys have any CRV parts, a couple people that know that I got the CRV have been hitting me up, telling me they have extra parts and stuff if I want them. If you guys want to donate some stuff to the CRV, sure, I'll take whatever you guys send. I'm not gonna put suspension on it, like I said. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue to work, and if I pick up this vlog, I'll probably be at home or update on something else. I don't know. Let's see, because I'm working right now, so I don't really have much. I don't know if you guys can see, but I already took off. I'm gonna definitely take off this pinstripe, but I took one spot off and left some residue. I used some rubber compound on it, and I took it off, but it's gonna take a long time. I'm probably gonna get the glue gun and take off like the stickiness or WD-40 because I don't really like this pinstripe. Looks like they just put it on themselves because it was pretty easy to take off. So yeah, definitely gonna be taking it off. I'm definitely gonna be taking that off also. So yeah, I'm still working. I don't really have anything much more to vlog, so I'm probably just gonna close out the video here. One thing I do want to say is for all you CRV owners, this temperature goes up pretty high, right? And then it comes right back down. When I got the car, I was like, dude, yeah, it's no good. The head gasket is fucked up. Then one of my friends told me that 2 of his CRVs did the same exact thing. My other friend told me that his CRV did the same thing. And I just see somebody today, and they told me that their CRV also did the same exact thing. So I thought it was the blown head gasket, but everybody's telling me that the CRVs run hotter, so the needle gets a little bit higher, because it clusters a little bit different from the EK, like the code, like the temperature gauge on a CRV is like smaller, so the needle goes up higher. Doesn't really mean that it's getting like all the way up there, but it goes right back down. It goes up and then it goes right back down. So I was like literally scared. I was like, dude, this CRV is no good. And as you guys can see right now, it's normal. So it goes up. Oh snap! It goes up, then it goes right back down. Then if I stand still, it'll go up. Then the fan take on for about like 10 seconds, and then it goes back down. I was gonna make the fans run direct like I usually do with the Civic and pull the thermostat, and then Julio convinced me not to do it. He was like, "Yo, just leave it alone. Stock cars, just let it do what it does." I was like, "You know what? You're right. I'm gonna just leave it alone." So I'm gonna leave it alone. And if you saw that, I have a check engine light. Literally, the check engine light literally just came on right now. But what's a Honda without a fucking check engine light? So I got a check engine light for a O2 sensor, which is nothing serious because the car already has inspection. The car got inspected and everything until 2020, so I'm good. I'm not gonna worry about that until next year. And at least it's a Honda, not like a like a Sentra, and I gotta do all this other extra work. So, but anyways, guys, I know this video wasn't too much. It was just me rambling and talking. Thank you guys again for watching. All you new subscribers, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload, guys. And remember, guys, build to enjoy. Peace.